Before we get started with our third project, let's get a little background on one of the key concepts involved. PWM, or pulse width modulation. Pulse width modulation is a technique to get analog results by digital means. In the analog world, if we want to control the speed of a motor or the brightness of an LED, we just have to vary the voltage. But the Arduino's digital pins can only output 5 volts or 0 volts. So either on or off. And that's where pulse width modulation comes in. Pulse width modulation allows us to simulate varying voltages on a digital pin. Here's how it works. The Arduino creates a signal that switches between on and off rapidly. This is called a square wave. By changing the amount of time the signal is on versus off, you can simulate voltages between 5 volts and 0 volts. The duration of on time is called the pulse width. For instance, if the signal is on half the time, the signal has a 50% duty cycle, and the output will simulate 2.5 volts. We can use the analog write function to output our PWM signal. The analog write function accepts a value between 0 and 255, where 0 is a 0% duty cycle, and 255 is a 100% duty cycle. In the next lecture, we're going to use this knowledge to change the brightness of an LED.